In progress.
Okay, now I'm opening a Visual Studio. Okay. I'm trying to create a new project. Okay, file, new project. I selected console.NET framework. Next, I simply say sample class example. Okay, and then I'm storing the data in this folder. Click create. Okay, I'm going to create another class. How can I create a class? Can anyone tell me? I want to create another class. Can anyone tell me how to create a class?
You have to create a memory location for the class with the name with the new keyword.
Okay. So before that, go to Solution Explorer, right click, add new item. I say arithmetic is my class. Okay. Is it my class? Say sir. No. Arithmetic is a class.
Yes, sir.
Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Arithmetic is a class. Now, without having any member function, method, property, anything within the class, can I create a memory for this class? Is it possible? Can I create memory for this class? Please unmute. Don't worry about it. Just for the 15-20 minutes. Unmute yourself. Try to discuss. Okay. I want everybody to unmute, please. This is most important thing and basic fundamental thing you need to understand. Okay. Unmute yourself. See, I created a class. I never write any variable. Did I written any method? Nothing is there in this class. Can I create memory for the class? Can I create memory for the class or not? Simply come here. I say arithmetic equal to new of arithmetic. Is it possible? Can I able to create an object for the class? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Did I add anything in this class?
No.
No, sir.
No. Now come back here. When I use console.readline. Okay. Now, if you go and run the program, it will work. It doesn't have any problem at all. Am I holding any property, variable, method, X, Y, Z in a class?
No.
Am I creating anything within a class?
No.
Everybody.
No.
So, can I say class may contain, I won't say class contain. Class may contain constructor, variable, method, properties, etc. Am I right?
Yeah.
My statement is right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, right.
Yes.
Everybody.
Yes, sir.
My statement is right or not? Now, what is object? Simply people what will say, it is a instance of a class. Technically people will talk, it is an instance of a class. Am I right?
Yeah.
If you can't ask anybody what is object, it is an instance of a class. what instance it is going to create. What is instance? It is going to refer a memory. It is going to refer a memory at the time of executing the class. Make sense?
Yeah.
See, you are trying to create an object. Will the object will try to create a memory for you or not?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Amit, Namrata, Prem Kumar, Rishi, Sanju,
Yes, sir.
Ubay,
Yes.
Surya. So technically, what is a class? Class may contain a constructor, variable, method, property. I got my point. Apart from these four statements, it doesn't require anything. Let's give an example. How can I maintain a variable in a class? Maintain variables in a class. See, come back here. Go to arithmetic. Here, I am declaring a variable integer first name equal to 0. Int second name equal to 0. Can I access this variable with the help of object here? Let's see. Arithmetic dot. You see, am I getting those methods, variables? Am I getting any variables? Say yes or no. Are you getting any variable first number, second number here? Everybody.
No,
Please.
no,
Why?
we are not.
Why? Because the variable we are declared is private access. This variable can access only within this class. It should not access outside the class. Why? Because we are making just a simple int. If you give here public, so that what will happen? This variable can access outside the class. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can you go here? You say now, you see I have a first name and second name. Earlier you are not seeing the first name and second name. Am I right? Are you seeing a variable first name and second name before? Tell me.
No.
Why?
Could not see.
Why?
Because it was private and it was not been made public. That's why.
It is a private, so you are not making it as a public. If it is private, I can access only within this class. If it is public, I can access that variable outside the class. Do you all agree with this point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what is meant by public? What people will call this as? This is an access specifier. Technically, people will call this as a access specifier. Now you see, I'm removing class as public. I'm having only class arithmetic. Now you see, it will create a problem. It has succeeded. By default, class is a public. Am I right? By default, class is a public. So first point. Point number 1. What is the first point? Can anyone tell me? To create a class, we need to use class as a keyword. Am I right or wrong? Say yes or no. without a class keyword, can I call this arithmetic as a class? Now, see, if you don't have anything like this, I'm having a simply public. Is it correct? Will it is a class?
No.
No.
So what I need to do?
Class.
Need to have class. If I have a class, I can able to access that class here. Okay. So to create a class, we need to use class as a keyword. Now, second point, the class, whatever you are creating, is it a public or private? By default, without access specifier, class will be treated as public. Do you all agree? I want to answer from you. Do you all agree or not?
Yes.
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 Okay. So now I created a class as a public. Now, third point, without access specifier, can I declare a variable? We can declare a variable by default. It is a public or private? If you don't have any access specifier for a variable, is it a public variable or a private variable? Just now I explained.
Private.
See, in the arithmetic, I don't have a public. Will it work?
No,
Will
sir.
it access outside? Now come back. You see, without access specifier, we can declare a variable by default. Default private or public? By default, private. So what do you need to do?
Use
We
the access specifier. Public.
we must include access specifier. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Without access specifier, you can able to create a variable. Without access specifier, can I create a variable? Say yes or no?
No.
No.
So you should have access specifier. Am I right? So
Yes.
now go here. I'm getting a public and second name. Now what I want to do, I want to receive data from the first number and second number from the user. How do I do that? How do I do that? Can anyone tell me? First number and second number. Let's say I have a first number, I have a second number. I want to assign value to this particular variable after creating an object. How do I do that? I created an instance. Without creating an instance, I can't able to access. Now you see here arithmetic dot first number equal to, how do I need to assign value? Console dot read line. Will it work? Will it work? Is it correct? Is it correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Why? What I need to do? What is the problem with this? Rishi, what is the problem with this? Sanjeev, Shanmuga Sundaram Venugopal, what is the problem in this? I already explained last class. I want answer from this.
Typecast it.
We need
It
to
is hiding.
convert. See, the console.read line always accept a string. Can I assign a string to the integer?
No.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No. What you need to do?
You have to use the method
Convert
toString.
method.
Convert that.
Okay. So what will happen? The string convert into an integer. That integer value will assign to the variable. Now come back, arithmetic dot second number. What I can do, convert dot 2 in 32. I'm going to get the read. Is it good for people to understand? So what I need to do here, console dot write line, enter the first number. Okay, so that user can understand. Now what you need to do here, console dot write line, enter the second number. So I have first number and second number, right? Let me try to run the program. Start. Now come back. It is creating an object. Now trying to show the value. I'm giving 20. I'm giving 20. I'm giving 30. Now come back. You see the arithmetic variable holding two arithmetic object holding a two variable or not. Listen carefully. Quick watch. Control Alt Q. Am I holding the values which are entered by the user or not? Am I holding or not? Yes or no? So the first number and second number, whatever user entered, is holding by a variable. Now come back. Sir, after receiving the variable, I want to create an add method. How can I do that? Now class has only variable. I need to do some logic. What should required for me? To build a logic, what should required for me? Yesterday I explained what is required. To build any logic, you required something. What is that? Come on, guys. What is the topic we discussed yesterday?
Methods.
Methods. So do we need a method to implement this logic? Adding a two number? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So what I'm going to do, public void add method. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm declaring another variable public int underscore result equal to 0. Can I simply say underscore result equal to underscore first number plus underscore second number? Is it correct or wrong? Yes or no?
It's correct.
Now, can I access this method after creating the object? Can I access the method?
Yes.
Add the method in the class. How are you going to access a method? Arithmetic. Whatever. Arithmetic dot add. Okay. Now I got the arithmetic dot add. Say yes or no? Can I call the arithmetic dot add method here? Now you go here. I'm putting a breakpoint. Let's run. You see the program. I'm giving first number is 10. First number is 10. Second number is 10. Now come here. You see I'm calling a add method. See, when you go from here to next step, just select F11. So what will happen when you click F11? it will come to the internal method. Now, what is your value of first number given by the user? 20. What is the value of second number given by the user? 10. Now I'm going to add this number. I'm going to assign that value to the variable result. Now, can I print the result something like this? Console dot write line the sum of comma and the sum of 1 and 2, 20, whatever the user is giving, sum of, and result is, okay. Here I'm going to say arithmetic dot underscore first number. I'm assigning value to the user to understand. First number, comma, enter. I'm going to give some space here. Arithmetic dot second number, comma, arithmetic dot result. And then I'm closing. Now you see, print a program. My sum is 20. My second number is 10. I'm clicking. It is calling an add method. I'm pressing an F11. Coming here, the result is added. Now, when you print it, you see here. Make sense? Make sense or not?
Yes.
Yes or no? All 14 member. I want answer from you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only 2. What about
Yes,
others?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, definitely.
Yes, sir.
You got the answer? Now tell me what is a class. By seeing this program, what you understand about a class? By seeing this logic, what you understand about a class? Without a variable, without a method, can I create a class or not? First point.
Yes.
Yes or no? In a class, can I have variables and methods? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
See, public void is a method, and first number, second number will be a different value. Now here you see how many objects I created. Is it a one object or a multiple object? Can I create a single object? That means MS Paint you see, you have a class here. Okay. What is your class name? What is your class name? What is the class name we created?
Arithmetic.
Arithmetic.
Arithmetic. Now, inside the class, what are the things you are having? You
Variables, methods.
Add method.
You have first number. What is this? Variable. Second number. What is this?
Variable.
Again a variable. Result. What is this?
Variable.
Variable. Add. What is this?
Method function.
Method. In C#, you should always call a method, not a function. Okay. If you speak function, people will think that you don't know what is class in C#. Okay. Always you have to talk about method. Okay.
Okay.
Now, I have one object here, which is a obj1. Saying that obj1. Object is obj1. Okay. I have another object here, which is a obj2. Which is a obj2. Okay. Now, both object 1 and object 2 can create an individual memory for the class or same memory for the class. Both objects will create an individual memory holding a different value. Is it correct or wrong? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Everybody, please unmute yourself. Please
Yes,
unmute
yes.
everybody. OBJ1, just wait for like that. Okay. OBJ1 is a one memory for a class. OBJ2 is another memory for a class. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes or no? Yes or
Sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming back here, how many objects I created for a class? Can I create another object? I copy the same thing as it is. Okay. Now come back. I'm putting here, I say 1. Again, I say 1 here. Again, 1. Okay. Arithmetic. Okay. 1. I say 1. Here also 1. Here also 1. Here also 1. Okay. Now, this object and this object is same or different? Listen carefully. This object, both are same or different?
Different.
Huh?
They are,
Both same or
both,
different?
Different.
they are
Yes.
different.
Okay. Now, I'm putting a breakpoint here. Now see, run the program. First object I'm giving 2010. Okay. Now again it is asking the second number, first number. I'm giving 30, 50. Now you see the variable arithmetic 1 will holding 30 and 50. The variable arithmetic is holding 20 and 10. Right? So both are holding a two different memory or a same memory?
Individual
Different.
memory.
Different.
Individual?
Individual memory.
Individual memory. But for a same class or a different class?
For the same class.
For the same class. A human, whoever a man or woman, will be the same, right? They have hand, head, everything. But by naming, you are differentiated. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
The same way in C#.NET, class is common. Class is common. Object will vary based on the data. Am I right? Object is varying based on the data or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Rushi,
Yes, sir.
Namrata,
Yes, sir.
object is varying based on the data or not?
Yes, sir.
Every object holding their own data. Now come back here. You see, I'm printing. Now go back. Arithmetic 1 will have a value of result is 80. Arithmetic 1 will have a value of result is 80. Now, if I go and say arithmetic, the result is 30. Understood? Arithmetic is holding a value is 30 because arithmetic will have is a different object. Arithmetic 1 is a different object. So that these objects creating independent memories. Or you got my point? Class is common, but when I'm trying to create an object, both are two different memories. Mahesh, understand? This is very fundamental for you. You need to understand what is a class and what is a variable and what is a method. If you understand this, the entire logic which we are going to write on top of this. That is why I'm taking this much of concentration. If you understand this, rest all is nothing. You're just going to modify things and add everything and you will move forward. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely correct or wrong?
Correct, sir. Correct.
Okay. So class is nothing but a what? Technically, what is a class? Class contain constructor, variable, methods.
Methods.
We discussed about variable and method, correct? We are not going to discuss about property. I will teach you that one later point of time, and constructor from tomorrow. So you all understand class may contain variable and methods. To create a memory for the class, we need to create an object. Can I have multiple objects for a class? Question, can I have
Yes, sir.
multiple object for a class? What is your answer?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is your answer?
Yes.
I
Yes,
can
sir.
create a multiple object for a class to maintain different data values. Agree? One object may can one value, other object may can another value. It is similar to different users. Am I right? Am I
Yes,
right
sir.
or wrong?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You all clear what is a class and what is object? This is more sufficient that what is class, what is object, why do we need a class and object in OOPS concept? The main concept of having a OOPS concept is your day-to-day life. Whatever you are doing on a day-to-day life, that is nothing but a class and object. Clear my point?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you understand your day-to-day life and compare your day-to-day life with the class and object, that is more sufficient that you can go ahead and do anything what you want. Clear?
Yeah.
Mr.
Yes.
Gajanan Tatke. Tatke or Tatke? Gajanan Tatke.
Yes, sir.
It's correct, right? You understand? Gajanan.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Chari Venuvaka. Venuvanka. You got the point? What is a class and object?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Prem Kumar, Prashant, Prasanna Kumar, Namrata Chavari, Mahesh, Amit Sajal,
Yes, sir. Got.
Abdul.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all for today. Tomorrow we are going to talk about constructor. Okay, class can be a very simple topic. Constructor onwards, there will be a big topics we will discuss one by one. Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Everybody
new,
clear or not?
new keyword. Sir, new keyword.
I'll come
name,
that.
tool.
I'll come that.
Okay.
Tomorrow when I'm explaining constructor, I will explain new keyword.
Okay.
Okay? Because if I explain also, you won't understand. If I explain new keyword, basically the new keyword will try to create an instance. I will explain tomorrow.
Okay. Sir. Okay.
Understand? Everybody?
Yeah.
So new keyword will be a combination of constructor and creating memory. Before constructor execute and then memory will be created. So I can explain that tomorrow when I'm teaching constructor. Clear?
Okay, sir.
It is a connectivity. You need to connect things and understand. So that is why I'm not talking about keyword. See, come here. Let assume I don't have any object here. What will happen when I run a program? It will say memory was not created. It will throw error. What this guy is saying? Can you read this? Class arithmetic was null.
Yes.
It is not
Null.
finding a memory. So who is creating memory for you?
Object.
Who is creating memory for you?
Object.
Object.
New keyword.
Yeah. New. Okay. Yeah. Oh.
Who is creating memory for you?
New keyword.
New keyword. Okay. And this is
Yeah.
your constructor.
Okay.
Clear my point?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
I will show you this one practically by tomorrow, how the new keyword is trying to create a memory for you. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
See, while creating object, there are 4 steps will happen. One is declaring a variable. Second step is executing the constructor. Third step is creating a memory for the class. After creating the memory, fourth step, that memory will be assigned to the variable arithmetic object.
Okay.
How many steps are happening? In a single line, how many steps are happening?
4 steps.
What are all those? Declaring variable, step 1. Step 2, executing the constructor. Step 3, creating memory for the class with the help of new keyword. Step 4, after creating the memory, that memory will be holded by the variable which you are created on step 1. Make sense? Make sense or not?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
You go Java, you go .NET, you go Python, you go Ruby, you go Angular, TypeScript, you go JavaScript, JSX, anything related to object oriented. This is the 4 steps are happening to create memory in the memory location. Understand my point? Shanmugam,
Yes, sir.
Prem. Actually, we have to thank Shanmugam. It is almost 2 p.m., 2 a.m. or 3:30.
It's
Shanmugam.
2,
Huh?
2
What is the
p.m.
time?
2 a.m.
2 a.m. early in the morning from Australia. Okay? We should appreciate him. Clear?
Yeah. Yes.
So we are going to create a method and object. That's all for today. We'll meet on tomorrow. Thank you all. Have a great day.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.